Here on the WIX editor, after you find the specific section to place your text, so for example, you can just click right here on add section to add a new section to place your text. You can just click on the section, and then you want to go to your left side of your screen, and then click right here on add elements with the plus icon. And then right here, you want to go to text, and then on text, you can just choose any type of the text that you want to create, either if you want to add the heading, or the paragraph, or even if you want to make the title, you can just choose any of it that you feel like fits to your needs. And then you can also add the paragraphs, and then the collapsible text, so people can click on read more or show more. And then you can also choose the text marquee, and so on. So for example, if I want to make on the paragraphs, just click on any paragraph, or you can even drag it all the way to your right side. And there you go. Here on the text box, you can actually drag around the text box to place it anywhere on your WIX editor. Just click on the text box and then choose any place that you will think will fit the most. After that, you can also make it bigger or even bigger, or to make it smaller. And then after you click on the text, you want to choose right here on edit text to edit your text box. Here, the first one, you can choose your style. So for example, if you want to choose any style that will suitable for you, or you can just customize the theme by click right here on edit theme. And then you can also change the fonts of your text. Just click on font and then choose any fonts that will fit for you. Or you can even upload your own font right here by clicking on upload fonts. And then you can also change the font size, so you can customize it anything that you like. And then you can also make it bold or make it italic, or adding some underline on your text, or even add the color of the text. You can choose any color by click right here on the add theme color. And you can also add some highlight to your text. And then you can also link the text to another page on your site or even outside your own WIX site. So for example, if you want to link it to another link, for example to your YouTube channel or so on, just click on web address and then choose the address that you want people to visit. After that, just click on done. And then you can also customize the alignment and then add some bullets and numbering, or you can decrease and increase the indent as you like. And then you can also change the text direction, either face to the left or face to the right. You can also change the effect of your text by click on any effect that you would like. You can also change the character and line spacing by dragging on this toggle right here to make it more space, and also change the line spacing. And you can also make your text to be vertical. Just click on enable vertical text, and there you go. And then the last one, you can also customize the SEO and accessibility. But if you feel like your change is too much and then you want to go back to the first, you can just click right here on reset to theme. And there you go. Any edit that you apply to your text will be gone. And that's how to add and edit a text box on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.